In this video, I'm gonna let you know everything about a Visa decentralized crypto card. So if you're looking for an option of how you can actually spend your crypto and you're looking for a way in which you can use it worldwide and there is no KYC required, definitely this video is for you. If this is the very first time you're in my channel, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Do not forget to hit the notification bell because I'm updating my channel pretty consistently and I don't want you guys to miss a video. As I mentioned before, I'm going to let you know all the ins and outs about this decentralized crypto card. So let me share with you my screen because there is a presentation that I have here. And also, I'm going to let you know how you can actually get it if this is something that you are interested. Okay, first of all, I'm going to be talking about this, the Bancos Decentralized crypto card. This is a Visa card. As I told you before, there is no KYC required. Okay, what is actually Bancos? Well, I'm going to go real fast with this. They are a decentralized digital institution, okay, built on over a decade of experience in blockchain technology and solutions focused on decentralization. Their purpose is to transform the way the world interact with money, combining the power of crypto asset with the ease and security of modern banking entity. Okay, the mission is to provide an accessible, secure, and decentralized financial solution to millions of people worldwide, making it easy to use, manage, and monetize cryptocurrencies in everyday life. Okay, the vision is to become the leading global digital financial entity, integrating technology, simplicity, and innovation into a single platform, driving the mass adoption of crypto asset as a means of payment in the future. Actually, I can say it like right now in the present. Okay, the difference between Bancos, that is a decentralized digital banking, and traditional banking, is like there is low fees, 100% transparency because they're using the blockchain technology, instant transaction with no intermediaries, integrate multiple currency wallets in which you're going to have the opportunity to have fiat and crypto in just one app. This is a tool, a app that it has global access. Literally, as long as you have internet connection, definitely you can use it. It's available 24/7. It's fast, paperless onboarding. You have full control of your funds without centralized entity, financial inclusion via mobile access. You're going to have actually two, a physical card and you're going to have a digital Visa card. Okay, so these are two cards that you're going to get. Both of them are actually Visa. Okay, blockchain technology ensures security, traceability, and autonomy. If you are already part of the traditional banking, I'm pretty sure that you're aware of the high fees, the fact that there is a lot of restrictions. Sometimes it's really strict if you want to open an account and other things. Okay, so what does Bancus offers? Well, as I told you before, literally fast onboarding. All you need is an email and a username. There is no KYC, there is no borders. As long as you can have access and use a Visa card, in your country, definitely you can use it. Okay, this is 100% decentralized. You have full control of everything. As I told you before, you're gonna have a physical and a virtual card backed by Visa, in which literally you can spend, your crypto assets on stores. You can withdraw from ATM, and the platform works worldwide with no restrictions. Okay, you can actually top up with crypto or fiat directly from the app. You can make the purchase, I told you, everywhere, global payments and purchases. You can actually make international transactions with no hassle and no hidden fee. This is actually something really cool because if you have a Bancos card and there is someone else who have a Bancos card and you want to send money, it's 100% free and instantly, okay? Instantly, the user is going to get the money, okay? So super, super cool, okay? Global accessibility anywhere as long as you have internet connection. The app is super easy and super simple to navigate. I'm going to show you more about that in a moment. Okay, so how does your money works in Bancos? Well, decentralized personal custody. You have 100% control of your crypto assets. The crypto assets are converted to fiat currency through the regulated process. you have 100% full control of how much money do you want to send to this prepaid card. Okay, and they are linked to the crypto lab, which is actually the exchange that they use, to do uh, the exchange between crypto and fiat. Okay, the user, in this case you, okay, transfer the money from your wallet to the Bankus app, and the Bankus app is already linked to Crypto Lab. And as I told you before, that's the bridge actually that they use as an exchange. Okay, something really important, guys, is that this is like a regular prepaid card. Okay, this is not a cold wallet. So with that said, you're gonna send the money that you're gonna use. Okay, you're gonna send the money that you're gonna use. The only way that you can withdraw the money from it is if you go to, well, first of all, if you spend it online or offline, swiping the card, or if you go to an ATM and you can actually withdraw in your local currency. Okay, or if you're traveling, in the country where you are. But this is not a cold wallet. Okay, so take that into consideration. What about the fees? Well, this is the only fee that they have, which is a 4% fee every single time someone reload the card, okay, in which 1% is distributed through the reward program. I'm going to be talking about the reward program in a moment, okay? So what does it mean? If you send 100 USDT, they're going to charge 4. Okay, so super easy, simple math. There is no maintenance monthly fee. There is no yearly maintenance fee. There is no associate charges if you are going to withdraw the money from ATM. There is no charges when you're swiping the card. Okay, what about the reward program? Okay, so if you're a person who is actually recommending the card the way I'm doing, well, Bankus, it's actually giving you an opportunity to earn with them. Okay, their reward program is designed to give every user the chance to generate income simply and automatically while promoting the global adoption of their financial solution, in this case, the Visa card. Okay, there are actually two cards. I'm going to tell you more about that in a moment. What's the difference? So you can actually choose the one that give you the benefits that you're looking for. Okay, the very first one is the plastic one. The total price, so that means that shipping is included, it's $45. Okay, the price of the card is $35 and shipping it's $10. This is actually worldwide, so it doesn't matter where you are, it's $10. The metallic one, the total price it's 85. Okay, so the price it's 75 and the shipping it's $10. If you use the link below, these are the prices that you're gonna go and you're gonna get. If you are like, no, I don't want to use your link for whatever reason, okay, if you're going to the website, you're free to do it, but you're gonna see that the minimum you're gonna pay it's 150 USDT, all the way up to 500. So if you want to save 50%, okay, and this is the basic one, okay, and the basic one here, which is the plastic one, it's just $45. So literally, if you're going to the website, you're going to be spending at least 150. Now, if you want to get all the full benefits here, you're going to be spending just 85 by using the link below. Okay, that's the very first benefit that you're going to get. Another thing that is super important, like, okay, Diana, this is actually cool, but what's actually the main benefits that you're going to get, and what's the difference if I decide to go with the plastic one or if I decide to go with the metallic one? Okay, but these are the things that the card actually has in common. Number one, the maximum amount you can have in the card is $50,000. It doesn't matter if you go with the plastic one or if you go with the metallic one. The other thing is that you can actually withdraw money from the ATM. Remember that there is no charge. It doesn't matter which card you decide to go with. And the amount that you can withdraw, it's going to depend on the bank that you use. Okay. The ATM, they have a bank. Sometimes it's 250, sometimes it's $500. Okay. So take that into consideration. Okay. In both cases, there is no KYC. The other thing that you need to take into consideration, if you go with the plastic one, the maximum amount that you can spend daily is $2,500 or $2,500. Okay, that's the maximum amount you can spend every single day. That's include using it online, swiping the card, and withdrawing the money from the ATM. Okay, that's the maximum amount you can actually spend on a daily basis. If you go with the metallic one, which is this is a card that I suggest you to go with, the maximum amount you can actually use every single day, it's definitely unlimited. Okay, you can spend as much money as you want. Okay, so there is no restriction here. Okay, so what about the compensation plan? Okay, so as I told before, okay, first of all, it's this is a 3 level or 3 tier, uh, you know, affiliate program, to put it in a way. So if you refer someone, it's 10%. If that person refers someone, you're going to be earning 15%. And if that person refers someone, you're going to be earning 30%. Okay. Let me give you an example here so you can actually take a look. Okay. If someone purchased, and okay, really, really important. This is actually on the net value of the card, which is 35 and 75. So no shipping is actually included. So that's why you see here, like if someone purchased the metallic one, okay, you're going to be earning 750. If someone you refer someone, you're going to be earning 1125. And if that person refers someone, you're actually going to be earning 750. Okay, so take that into consideration. This is if someone purchased the card. The other thing that they do have, and this is actually real cool, if someone recharge the card, okay? If someone recharge the card, every single time someone reload the card, remember that bank could charge 4%. 1% of it is distributed to the network, and these are actually the percentage every single on every single level, 1 to 3. Okay, so this ensures residual income from active cards uses around the world. So this is like having like passive income. Literally, you can earn money by using the card. So actually, this is actually really cool. So if you're considering using the card, remember, and you want to save at least 50%, go and use the link below. So now I'm pretty sure that you might be wondering like, okay, which are the steps that I need to follow if I decide like this is a great option for me? I actually have the card, and I have to be honest with you guys, I'm actually really happy with it. Okay, let me show you these steps. Okay, first of all, you're going to be using the link below. Okay, you're going to be using the link below, and you're going to land in the page like look like this. Okay, this is actually a web app, the one that you're going to install it. So you're going to click here where it says, well, not next, it's actually an arrow here. Okay, and then you're going to click here where it says install app. Okay, depending if you're using an Android device and an iPhone, or if you're using another one, you're going to see here where it says install now. Okay, what if you have an iPhone, which is actually my case? Okay, depending, again, if you're using the device, you're going to see here where it says install now. If not, you will need to adapt these steps that I'm going to show you in a moment. Okay, sometimes it's here at the top, you're going to have the 3 lines. In my case, I'm using an iPhone, so it's looked like this. It says here, if you're in, the system is actually going to detect it. So I didn't show the thing that says install now. It actually redirects me to this page which says install on iPhone and iPad. Tap the share icon in Safari at the startup and enjoy the app. Okay, what does that mean? Because, I was kind of confused. Click on this icon and just click on where it says add to home screen. Okay, that's the only thing that you need to do. That's it. And you're gonna have actually the app. Okay, so this is what I did. Then this is actually how the app looks like. Okay, I'm gonna explain you everything about it. So I can tell you that even without watching this, it's super simple. Okay, so here, if you go where it says, let me explain you this first. Okay, here, if you go where it says send, remember that you can transfer money 100% free between bank users. The only thing that you need to know is the email address. That's it. Okay, and that you can actually do that. If you are gonna deposit, you're going to click here where it says deposit. I'm going to show you more about that in a moment. Here, like as any other card, you can see all your transactions. Okay, here it says my transactions. You can actually put it here. And if you're gonna reload the card, you're gonna click here where it says recharge. Okay, as you can see here, at the time I have some crypto here. So if I want to spend it using my card, I need to click here where it says recharge. And now I'm gonna have it here. Okay, so now here you have some options here at the bottom where it says Bancos. This is the page that I'm currently at. You have my card, my transaction, which is this one as well, and you're gonna have your account information here. Okay, so now if you click here on my cards and you don't have a card associate, okay, and you want to order it, you need to click here where it says, do you want a card? Solve it here. Okay, you're gonna click here where it says, do you want a card? Solve it here. If you already received your card and you're ready to activate it, you will need to click here and follow the steps. They're super simple. Okay, they're super simple. Okay, if you already have a card, you are not gonna see this screen. You are actually gonna see your virtual card here. Okay, so now you click here where it says that you want a card. It's going to ask you, do you want to go with the metallic one or do you want to go with the plastic one? Okay, so you're going to choose the one that you want, and it's going to ask you, do you want to purchase it? Okay, with USDT and USDC. And actually, if you are sending money from your favorite wallet, it's going to be exactly the same cryptos that you can actually use. Okay, USDT or USDC. You're going to choose the one that you want. In USDT, you can use the Binance Smart Chain, you can use the Ethereum network, and you can use the Tron network. Okay, with USDC, the only network is the Ethereum network. Okay, and that's it. That's literally how you can actually use and get the app. It's super easy, it's super simple. I can tell you that I'm really happy with the card. It has helped me a lot. It's super easy, super simple. It's like any other card. Okay, it's like any other card when you get it. Since this is a non-KYC card, you're gonna notice that your card doesn't have a name on it. And one cool thing that I like, if you're already on this window that says my card, you can block the card right away and you can unblock it when you want it. So this is actually really helpful. I really recommend this Bancos card. Use the link below, follow the steps, and enjoy it. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and I see you guys on the next video.